Okay guys, so I just came back from work and I got a text message saying that my headers for my exhaust just came in. I'm gonna go grab the box right now. It's in my lobby area, hopefully, because it's not at my door. So I'm gonna go there right now and let's see if I can do this. Sorry for the quality, so I got my package. I had to do a bunch of running around because they put it in the wrong lobby. I have my things in the back of my car. Then I'll do a, before and after, how it sounds. So this is the exhaust I got from the dealership, the Akropovic slip-on. So what we're gonna be taking off is all this. All the way up from the headers. Cool, so we'll do a quick before. A cold start. I'm not gonna leave it on too much because then the pipes are gonna be too hot for me to touch. So here we have the header pipes, a bolt and a spring, some more of the pipes, and the connecting rod or pipe, whatever you want to call it, and the instructions. Okay, so it took me a while to take off the O2 sensor, but I took it off. It was just really tight on there. Finally took it off. Okay, so I just loosened all the header bolts. Just loosened them all up already. I just didn't take them all out so it doesn't just come falling off, So I'm about to just unscrew them all like this. And I'll get back. So I had issues taking that bolt off. But what I did was I just unscrewed those two bolts on the rear set, and it gives me enough access to run my Allen wrench through there. Problem solved. So I tried to get that last bolt I showed you guys off, but I don't have a long enough Allen wrench, so I couldn't get enough leverage for it to do its thing. So I'm gonna do a quick Lowe's run and grab those like Allen wrench extender things with that little part where you can put your hand on it and twist it. That's what I'm gonna go end up doing right now, because I tried so much with Allen wrenches like that. Okay, so I'm back from Lowe's and I got the right parts. I'll show you what I was talking about. And I needed this one. Check it. I'm gonna try and do it one-handed. There's a screw. This is me twisting it. This is me twisting it one-handed. Nope, I need two hands. Be right back. I don't know if you heard that pop, but I got it, and now I'm just gonna undo it. So I have a plethora of tools. Time to take this all down. cold exhaust off. Clean. Okay, so I finished the install. Took a lot longer than I thought. I had to go to Lowe's and I had to do everything, but everything's looking clean. Now I'm gonna do, before I tighten everything up to spec, like torque spec, I'm gonna start it up, see, you know, that everything is working fine before I tighten everything up. So here we go. New headers all the way through. Time to do a test one. Let's do it. Torque everything into spec. I swapped out my batteries real quick. My hands are all dirty, but so worth it, dude. If you're debating about getting a full system, do full system. As soon as I get everything down to torque spec, I'm gonna take that thing out. There's no way I cannot. I don't care how cold it is. I'm gonna take that out, dude. Alright, so I was in the middle of torquing down these guys. I got them hand tight right now, but I haven't torqued them down to spec yet. They're pretty tight, you know, just with the hand. But oh, I need to put this back too. God. So anyways, I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get a 12mm socket because mine ripped. Never had issues with it until now. Knowing my luck, it's going to be a 12mm socket for the rear sets. Watch. Oh no, these are heads. These aren't extra parts. These are well, kind of extra, but don't mind that. You know, make it harder than what it was. Okay. I started this around 4:30. It is currently 8 o'clock. 4 hours. Nice. Anyways, I usually ride around with music, but with this new exhaust, you gotta appreciate it. I put the O2 sensor back in it. I didn't do any bypass with that or anything, so hopefully I shouldn't get any like warning lights of any kind. Here we go. I need to tighten that to spec too, but oh guys, this sounds so good, so good. Let's just say people are going to be able to hear me now. Let's go. No delay. Oh, guys, this is so loud compared to what it was. Oh, with those, oh, dude, it gurgles and all that, guys. So worth it. Let's hear it. Oh yeah.
Oh, guys. Ah, the downshifts. That was just a downshift from second to first gear. God. Oh, dude. Get yourself a full system Akropovic exhaust. Akropovic, whatever you want to call it. Worth it. Worth it. Don't care. It's your money. Spend it how you want it. Don't listen to what all these people tell you. Guys, you don't understand. Well, I'm sure you do, but I've had the stock exhaust on for like, well, I bought it last year in June, almost a full year. And the change is welcome. Dude, it goes up in the RPM so much faster. Guys, this exhaust is so good. It just eats through the RPMs like nothing. I can see why the lame people in California don't want this exhaust. Maybe it's a little bit too loud because, you know, it's not torque to spec, but we'll find out. Next to this Mustang, I guess. Get 12mm socket. And yeah, I'll be back once I'm outside of Lowe's. I doubt you guys want to see that.